Look at this cute little door.
Hello! Day 29. Less working on the bus today and a lot more getting supply. Wanted to get water tanks. We found a couple of really cool things on Marketplace that we picked up. Exciting day for supply gathering. We needed to have some of this stuff to move forward with certain sections of the bus. So this is our in-sofa 36-gallon water tank. We also stored this sweet little in-floor shower pan. And these really cool lampshades for our wall sconces. They're gonna go right here. I feel like you're that character from Disney. What's his name? Jacques?
I don't know. I feel like a teacup.
Also scored this 45-gallon gray water tank, which is gonna go under the bus right here. And last but not least, we scored this sweet desk. The wood is gorgeous. We're gonna reappropriate it. It's got these cute drawers. We pulled these ones out. They do a little flip down, so it's perfect for a little computer desk that we're gonna make.
Now entering the arena.
Papa Smurf at 5'6" and 170 pounds. Steam Pup at 5'9" and 200 pounds versus the 4,500-pound bus.
Day 30, let's go. Gotta install these guys on the bed lift. Check it out. Da-da-da. My favorite saying, apparently. So one of the things that we constantly have to keep doing is having some sort of baseline so we can square up really important walls like door frames. So we're using the bottom of the bus mostly as our baseline to make sure that we can square stuff up starting from the bottom and then work our way up to the top. Things like this have to be square. It's really important because it's a door. Nothing's square in here because of all the wonky shapes, so we just need a baseline for things like doors. Kind of important. Okay, we got the door framed up. It's gonna go right in like that. We had to have a gap on the bottom, of course, because we're accounting for the flooring and stuff that's gonna go in place. But otherwise, that's gonna be our little door to the bedroom area. Awesome.
What are you talking about being short?
I don't know, it looks pretty pocket-sized to me. It is also mom-sized.
Or little old lady size.
Okay.
Even fits my hair.
Perfect.
Alright, day 30 punch list. Frame out door, frame out thing. So we just have to frame out the sofa and H2O. This guy here, so that's it.
So we have established that this part of this panel is going to be the bottom part of the bathroom door. That panel there is going to be the top part of it. So that'll make up our bathroom door. And then we're actually going to use these as risers for each side of our couch. So we got to cut this up and make a door for one and fabricate these into our couch. So I'm making the bathroom door out of the two panels from the side of the desk. And these longer pieces are actually the scraps from the previous door that we cut because we had to trim it down. So they'll fit perfectly, and then we can just put a small piece of trim across this seam here. It's gonna look awesome. We are just working on the shell of the sofa that's gonna go here that the water tank's gonna fit in. Slowly framing it up around the water tank here, just reinforcing this. Gotta do the back, and then we need to build the cross slats. And these cross slats are gonna be made out of like a seatbelt material, so there's a bit of flex to them, and it'll also lift up on a hinge. End of day 30 update. So we got our doors framed in for there in the bathroom. We got that door sorted out and we've started building the bathroom door, which looks amazing from some of the reclaimed wood, which I've shown you guys. This is the sofa. So we've started putting some of the pretend trim on it just to give you an idea, but think tufted leather Kensington style sofa. That's gonna be there. As you can see, we had to build around the water tank and it was a bit wacky because we've got this angled wheel well to build. So we had to do this weird framey thing. But otherwise, pretty successful day. I would say that Brian and Robert, ding ding ding, win with a knockout, not even a TKO, a freaking knockout. Until tomorrow, day 31, coming soon.